The purpose of this video is to explain to you what it means by skew to the right. The box plots here show that the distribution is skewed to the right. Let me explain to you. This is a symmetric distribution. Now, why this is so-called symmetric distribution? If you draw a line, the left side and the right side is basically identical, then they are symmetrical. And right at the middle, that is mean. And the mean is at the same time represent median, right? Now for the x-axis, we can have the values. And the vertical axis represent number of frequency. So what do you think about the mode? The mode is basically located at the point with the highest frequency, which is actually at the same place as mentioned there. So the mode, it happened at the highest frequency. So the mode is equal to the median and is also equal to the mean. So this is called unimodel distribution. Unimodel means one mode. This is two mode, bimodal. This is trimodal because there are three peak. Okay, three peak means three mode. Unimodal means one mode. So as you can see, there are two mode there. So we call it bimodal. And here we have three model, trimodal, right? Trimodal means three mode. So let's go back to the symmetrical distribution. So as you can see, this is a box plot, Q1, Q2, Q3, third quartile. So this box plot represents a symmetrical distribution. Notice that the Q2 minus Q1 is equal to Q3 minus Q2. The length are equal. So that's represent symmetrical distribution. Another thing is you can observe the left tail and the right tail is equal length. So everything about the box plot is symmetrical. So now let's have a look at another one. This is actually, is it symmetrical or skew to the left or skew to the right? Let's focus here. This is a tail. The tail is at the right, so it's skew to the right. So we can also call as positive skew. Now let's analyze the positive skew or skew to the right distribution. We actually want to find out where is the median. The median is here. This is the median. And the mean is to the right of the median. If we compare, the mean is actually higher than the median. So when the mean is higher than the median, then it's skewed to the right. Then where is the mode? The mode, it happened at here, the highest frequency. So the mode is to the left of the median. So the mode is less than median. Or we can say that the median is more than the mode. So in the distribution whereby we call as skew to the right, now we want to study the box plot. One of the possibility of the box plot is like this. You notice that the whisker are equal length, but you look at the box, the line there to the right is longer compared to the left, the red line. So if you compare the Q1, Q2 and Q3, Q3 minus Q2, it will be greater than Q2 minus Q1. In this case, the distribution is skewed to the right. Okay, so you observe the box. Just observe the box. If the length of Q3 minus Q2 is greater than Q2 minus Q1, that is skewed to the right. So there's another possibility whereby the whisker is equal length, but Q3 minus Q2 is equal to Q2 minus Q1. But you look at the whisker at the right will be longer than the whisker to the left. So in this case, it is a skew to the right distribution. And there is the third possibility is it happened together whereby the Q3 minus Q2 is longer than Q2 minus Q1 and the whisker is longer. So that's skew to the right. There are three scenarios. So how about skew to the left? Let's have a look of skew to the left. This is so-called skew to the left distribution. So if you focus to the tail of the data is on the left hand side. So therefore, we can say that this data is skewed to the left. If you look at the histogram, you will observe the skew to the left, whereby can be also called as negative skew. So where is the median? The median is, of course, here. And where is the mean? The mean, of course, will be to be at the left. The mean is going to be at the left of the median when it's skewed to the left. So the mean is less than the median. And where is the mode? The mode is basically here. So meaning that the mode is the data with the highest frequency. So the mode is greater than the median and also mean. For a distribution that's skewed to the left, the mean is less than median and less than the mode. Remember that? The mean is that less than median and less than mode. So let's figure out the box plot for the left skew distribution. So if we observe the box at the left is longer, as shown the red line there. That means the Q2 minus Q1 will be longer or greater than Q3 minus Q2. So this is the case whereby the distribution is skewed to the left. Let's say we have the box plot whereby is balanced. That means they are equal. Q2 minus Q1 is equal to Q3 minus Q2. But look at the whisker. The whisker at the left is much more longer than the whisker at the left. And finally, we will have a combination of the both cases. So the whisker to the left is longer than the whisker to the right, and the box at the left is longer compared to the right. So this is another example of the box plots that showing a negative skew distribution or skew to the left. That's all my sharing. Thank you for watching. Bye bye and have a nice day.